Crostata di ricotta e visciole, cherry and ricotta tart. It's a popular dolce in Rome, and it showcases the subtle flavors and creaminess of ricotta up against the sharp tartness of sour cherries. Whenever you're working flour into butter, it's fingertips and fingertips only. And then you end up with a light, grainy texture, almost sandy-like, for the perfect pastry. A little sugar for a touch of sweetness, and always a pinch of salt. I love a little zesty lemon in my crust. And I haven't met a ricotta that doesn't like a little zesty lemon. And we bring this all together with a whole egg and 1 egg yolk. Still with your fingers. That egg and that egg yolk will bind the pastry together, and the richness of that yolk will add a little added crispness. And the less you work your dough, the better off you are. Divide into 2. Wrap and relax. The secret to a perfect flaky pastry is keeping the butter cold. So this resting in the fridge is essential. My pastry's had a chance to relax. Light dusting of flour prevents things from sticking. A little roll, a quarter turn. Another roll until I get the perfect thickness and even all over. Now, using a fork, I like to punch holes in the bottom of the pastry. This allows the steam to escape and prevents the pastry from being pushed up and having the filling overflow. Now it's for my filling. Egg and a little sugar. Fluffy, fresh ricotta. Such a staple in Italian cuisine. The egg is going to enrichen that ricotta, and as it cooks, it'll firm it up. But for a kick of flavor, a little Zambuca for that taste of licorice. Now, I mentioned sour cherries. My sour cherries are coming in the form of a delicious sour cherry jam. Sharp, tangy, zesty flavor, and a little additional hint of sweetness. So a good and generous layer. That's looking good. Now my ricotta mixture. Now I'm ready for that second bowl of dough. Now, using a little pastry wheel, it's about cutting little ribbons, about a 1/4 inch thick, to create a lattice topping. Look at my lovely crostata. Beautiful and golden brown on the crust. And soft and moist in the middle. To finish it off, I do like my powdered sugar. I think it makes a dessert look even sweeter. cherry jam and the ricotta topping. A couple of extra sour preserved cherries. Little juice. That looks pretty dandy. That ricotta is moist and creamy, with that hint of Sambuca just coming in the background, that licorice flavor. Add that counterpoint of those sour little tart cherries and the biscuity crispness of a really great crusty pastry.